Where's Caden? Caden, why are you walking around the house with that on your head? There you are! Bye. Are you going bye-bye again? That's your sister's blanket. Here you go. Here you go. You want it? Here you go. There you are. Caden. There you are. You saying hi, sissy? Hi, Lily. Hi, baby Lily. Hi. 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 Hi, Lily. Oh, no, no. No, no. Say hi, Dada. Say hi to Dada. Say Dada. Hi. Okay. Hi, sis. Hi, baby Lily. Hi. Oh. Yeah. Hi. Hi, chubby cheeks. Oh, is that funny? Can you smile again? Smile. Smile, Lilybug. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi, Lily. Is the camera too close? Oh, baby. Is that too close? Where'd your brother go? Ball. Bye, Caden.